The morning sun filtered through the cypress trees as Mark canoed down the Turner River in the Florida Everglades. An osprey circled overhead, scanning the swirling waters with keen eyes. As Mark rounded a bend, he suddenly spotted a rare sight. A female Florida panther crouched on the bank, drinking from the river. She lifted her tawny head, golden eyes blinking at the intruder. Mark's breath caught in his throat. With only 120 panthers left in the wild, he knew he was beholding one of the rarest animals on Earth. Save the Florida Panther Day, observed every third Saturday of March, aims to raise awareness about this critically endangered panther. In 1967, only 12 panthers remained due to hunting, habitat loss, and pesticides poisoning the food chain. The panther was classified as one of the first endangered species protected under the Endangered Species Act of 1973. Aggressive conservation efforts since then have brought the panther back from the brink of extinction. Though continued loss of habitat and collisions with vehicles remain major threats. The Florida panther is the only puma subspecies found east of the Mississippi. As apex predators, panthers are vital to maintaining the ecological balance of the Everglades. Protecting them means protecting millions of acres of wetlands and all the species that inhabited them. On Save the Florida Panther Day, wildlife organizations organize festivals, fundraising events, and letter-writing campaigns to spread awareness about panther conservation and lobby for stronger protections of wildlife habitats and corridors. Students create artwork and videos highlighting the plight of the panther to share on social media. Biologists give public talks on panther conservation and take people on guided tours of the Everglades. Volunteers help put up wildlife crossing signs, build and maintain animal corridors, and clean invasive plants from panther habitats. Though still endangered, the panther story gives us hope that with determination and compassion, humans can right past wrongs. By protecting the panther and its home in the Everglades, while ensuring that future generations will also thrill at the sight of this legendary cat in the wild. On Save the Florida Panther Day, each small action taken by ordinary citizens contributes to the survival of an extraordinary creature. Together, we can make a world where both panthers and people prosper. Every third Saturday of March is Save the Florida Panther Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a nice Save the Florida Panther Day. Cheers!